Hey everyone, I'm Faisal. Welcome to my channel. This is the third episode of the Dream series Puppet Marking Plan. In this episode, I'm creating a puppet character called the PILU. Now, let's begin. I plan to create at least 100 dog characters and develop a story set in their world. In the dream world I imagine, there are no shadows, everything is soft and fluffy, and the sky is a serene cyan blue. The Dream Sprites are one big family with 7 different skin colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Each color has its own unique look and abilities. They are the original inhabitants of the dream world and also its caretakers. PILU belongs to the yellow-skinned type. Among the Dream Sprites, they are primarily responsible for organization and management, assisting other groups, coordinating actions, and protecting the beauty of the dream world. Every PILU has 2 antennae on their head that sway with their emotions, helping them understand the feeling of other spirits. But the most amazing thing is PILU's coordination ability. When they emit a soft glow, golden light patterns instantly connect all the spirits. Through this hive-mind network, they can coordinate at least 700 spirits at once to guide creatures lost in this mist, gather energy to form defensive batteries, or simultaneously transmit command to every connected spirit. Yet, PILU's most important task is calculating the happiness index. Shows a dashboard covering desert patterns. When the joy level of the dream world drops below 80%, they activate emergency protocols. Deploy the Momo squad to fire jelly bullet with double sugar. Cyan spirits to play music that awakens memories, or even step in personally to draw frosted rainbows across the sky. So, without PILU's recess coordination, the dream world would have fallen into chaos long ago. After all, making sure marshmallow clouds clock in on time and meteor showers take their final bows on schedule is no easy task. And that completes the third door, PILU. If you enjoyed this video, your likes, subscribes and shares really help me out. If you have any ideas or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I will read every single one, and who knows, maybe Lucky One's idea will inspire me to create a new character in the dream world. Thanks for watching.